Today we've got a cash flowing duplex bringing in $1,400 a month, priced under $75,000. Let's dive in. Hey real estate investors, welcome to another episode of the Investment Properties for Sale show. I am your host, James Wise, and today we are going to be going over a duplex priced under $75,000 in a solid Cleveland area suburb. This thing is a cash cow. But before I get into the details on that property, I want to talk to you guys about something really quick. I want to talk to you guys about HoltonWise TV and about the Investment Properties for Sale show. A lot of you guys are watching this from all over the world: California, New York, Texas, Singapore, United Arab Emirates, wherever. We have an audience pretty much worldwide that watches this show, and you guys are gravitating towards our show because not only do we sell you properties in Cleveland, we also assist you and connect you with our ground partners in other really popular turnkey markets like Indianapolis, Indiana, Birmingham, Alabama, Toledo, Ohio, Memphis, Tennessee, and a bunch of the other markets in the United States that have some of the lowest prices in the nation and some of the best price to rent ratios. I want to take the time to let you guys in on a little secret. Providing you guys with all of these properties every single day. For those of you who haven't already subscribed to our mailing list, in the show notes you have the opportunity to do that. We send this show out to everybody who subscribed to that mailing list every single day at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you get a full video offering like this every day with an investment property that you have the opportunity to bid on. Now, actually producing for you that many properties, that many videos, getting all of these properties out to you guys, making it this easy for you, we make it look easy, I believe. I like to think that we make it look pretty easy, but it's not really that easy. We have to deal with a lot of loonies out there providing you guys with these properties. Every property is sold to you in a different condition. Some are turnkey, some need repairs, some are BRRRR deals. You know, there's varying levels. We are, connecting with everyone who owns property in these markets, and we are bringing the asset to you and being as transparent as we can, giving you guys all the information. So not all of these sellers are created equal. We talk to a lot of loonies out there. So what I want to have you guys do right now is take a look at this voicemail we just got the other day. This is something that we deal with. We deal with folks like this all the time, trying to bring these properties to you. So take a look at that real quick.
My name is Mary, and you keep harassing me by calling me and sending me your mail. The only way I will sell my two-bedroom condo at the is if you give me $50,000 cash, the way it is. If not, I don't want you bothering me, harassing me, sending me your junk mail, or calling me. So please get back to me at 215. If you don't want to buy my condo, it's a rental condo, for $50,000, I want you to take me off your mailing list and phone. Because if not, I'm going to report you to the Better Business Bureau, the police, and whatever for harassing me constantly with your junk mail and your calls. So I'm tired of getting your junk mail and your calls. So either call me back and tell me you're going to take me off your mailing list and phone, or I'm going to report you to everybody and go on TV and report you for harassment and bothering people when they tell you that they don't want to give it to you for free so you could make a lot of money and we can't. Now, why would I have you become rich when I could become rich? So, if you want to give me $50,000 for my two-bedroom condo at the I'll do business with you. If not, I want you to take me off your mailing list and your phone list. My number's
All right, as you guys can see, again, we make it look easy on HoltonWise TV, but I just want you guys to know that there is a lot that goes on behind the scenes bringing this much content to you guys. So if you don't mind, for the effort that my team and myself are putting into all of this, if you could give us a thumbs up so YouTube's algorithm knows that you're finding a ton of value here on HoltonWise TV. And if you are a first-time viewer, please do yourself and us a favor and smash that subscribe button. Now let's go to a word from the sponsor of today's show really quick, and then I'm going to get in all the details on this $75,000 duplex.
Once you've placed a tenant, there's no need to make trips to the bank anymore because with Rentec Direct, you can now accept rent payments via ACH. This automatically transfers money from your tenant's bank account directly to yours, using the same technology that banks do to collect auto and mortgage payments. Your tenants can even log in and make payments with their web browser or their phone. All this comes backed by the highest-rated customer support team in the industry. Certified by third parties and ranked #1 by our clients year over year, you get unlimited free access to our US-based support team by phone, email, and chat, who will help you getting started or anywhere along the way.
HoltonWise has a worldwide audience of real estate investors. If you are a lender, home inspector, or anyone else with a real estate related business who would like to increase your sales and exposure with an ad in one of our videos, go to HoltonWise.com today.
All right, investors, let's get right into it. 9613 Sladden Avenue, Garfield Heights, Ohio, 44125. Garfield Heights is a solid rental neighborhood for us. In the HoltonWise portfolio, we have a ton of duplexes like this. This is a simple cookie cutter 2-bed, 1-bath duplex. We've literally got hundreds of these in our portfolio. While we're outside taking a look at the neighborhood, I want you guys to focus in on this property. As you'll see, transparency is our #1 goal. We give you as much information as we can. Take a look at all the footage of that roof. That roof is believed to be roughly 15 years old. Roofs like this should last you about 30 years, okay? So when you're doing the numbers at home and you're calculating your return, you need to understand that in about 15 years, you're going to need to spend another $6,000, $7,000 to replace that roof. This is a pretty large property. Going inside, this is the vacant unit. The other unit, it's currently rented at $600 a month. Truth be told, though, market rent is really $700 and up at units like this. That existing tenant, he was there when we acquired this property into the portfolio a few years ago. We've turned over this unit right now. My team is just finishing up the rent-ready renovation, so all the crap you see in this unit, that's all going to be gone for you guys. The interior of this property is going to be 100% turnkey for you, and my team is going to be advertising this unit at $700 a month, and we will have no problem hitting that. Now, there is a little bit of cost, and that's why I actually priced this property so low. If you've been watching the Investment Property for Sale show recently, you'll know that right now, everything we are selling in Garfield Heights, all the duplexes in Garfield Heights, guys, I'm selling those for between $85,000 and $90,000 right now. The reason that I dropped the price down to $74,900 is because there is a POS, okay? I'm going to put that on the screen for you guys right now. So as you see right next to me here, we have the POS. That is roughly a $10,000 to probably $12,000 POS. We're going to need you, the buyers, to assume that POS. The reason we decided to do this was, #1, ease for the seller. The seller is actually living abroad, so it's just a lot easier for the seller to cut ties with his Cleveland portfolio sooner rather than later. He's shuffling money to other things. And then #2, if you're a fan and if you've seen a lot of the content here, you're probably very familiar with the Ultimate Guide to Grading Cleveland Neighborhoods. If this is the first video you've ever seen of me, I want you to Google the Ultimate Guide to Grading Cleveland Neighborhoods right now. Or in the show notes, I have a link to that. I grade all the neighborhoods in Cleveland. I also include the property tax amounts. And as you'll notice, Garfield Heights is high, okay? Garfield Heights, we get higher rents in Garfield Heights. We get higher quality tenants in Garfield Heights than we do to Cleveland, higher rents than Cleveland as well. but we also have higher property taxes. So what I think is a very astute move, if you're an investor, you're clever, what you want to do is you want to buy this property at the lower value. You want to buy it at $75,000 and then spend the money out of pocket to clear off that POS. You spend that $12,000 out of your own pocket, and we still have a $75,000 transfer, so you're likely going to be taxed on that value, as opposed to having the seller fix it now and then selling you the same property at $90,000. You'll be taxed with the higher Garfield Heights rate at the higher value, most likely. So if you're looking at this from a long-term perspective, this is the best strategy for you, the buyers, and it just so happened to work for my seller as well. So that, guys, is everything I've got for you guys on this property. If you are ready to make an offer on this property, simply send me an email, jameswise@holtonwise.com. You're going to need to have your proof of funds or your pre-approval letters ready. You don't have to buy this cash, guys. You can absolutely get a loan through a lender. If you're not yet at the point where you have lenders, that's okay. Just shoot me an email. Let me know. I've got a list of lenders. They write loans nationwide. So anybody living in any of the 50 states in the United States, so long as you have a good debt-to-income ratio and a decent credit score, my guys can approve you for properties like this. And these are not like short-term hard money loans, guys. This is the best type of financing you can get, traditional residential financing. 30-year terms, 25% down, low interest, fixed terms, and best of all, that loan, that interest you're paying, guys, that is tax deductible. So if you don't have a lender, I'll give you my list of lenders. You probably won't be fast enough to take this property down, because whenever I pump out one of these shows, we get multiple offers the same day they go out. And as I told you at the top of the show, we send this to everybody out there at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It goes right to their email. And then, of course, we have everyone who's subscribed to us on YouTube, who receives the notifications the moment the property is uploaded to YouTube. So if you're just on that mailing list, you definitely want to make sure you smash that subscribe button here. You might actually get a head start on the folks that are just relying on us to email it to them. So we get a lot of bidding wars, but that's okay. If you don't have time to take this one down, if it takes a while for my lenders to approve you, you'll be ready for the next property, which coincidentally is coming to your inbox tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's all I've got for everyone today. As always, I'm James Wise with HoltonWise, and this is Real Estate Investing Made Easy.
Based in Indianapolis, Indiana, FS Houses is the premier investment property brokerage. With an in-house property management department that can take care of all those unwanted landlord headaches, FS Houses can offer you the complete turnkey solution, as well as wholesale properties offered to you at a discounted rate. With a network of thousands of active investors, wholesalers, and brokers, FS Houses can help you sell your property for top dollar on the open market, or in a hurry to motivated investors seeking distressed real estate. Visit fshouses.com or call 317-492-9025 for more information on the Indianapolis, Indiana real estate.
Cleveland, Ohio is widely considered to be one of the top rental markets in the entire United States. This is because here in Cleveland, our housing prices are low and our rental prices and demand are high. At HoltonWise, we provide the complete turnkey solution for all real estate investors, whether they are local, out of state, or even abroad. As real estate brokers, we will provide you with agent representation to help you buy properties ranging from single-family homes to large apartment complexes. We even have referrals for lenders who can provide investment property loans to investors located in all 50 states allowing you to capitalize on the use of leverage or other people's money. We have referrals to top-notch title companies, so you know that all of your transactions are safe and secure, with every single property being delivered to you with clear title. Once you close on the property, we have an investor-focused insurance brokerage who can handle all your property insurance needs. This insurance brokerage handles auto, home, life, and business policies, but they specialize in working with policies for landlords. We also have full-service property management. We can handle all rental property advertisements, tenant placement, rent collection, evictions, maintenance, landscaping, construction, and repairs. In addition, HoltonWise also offers digital media and education. One day, when you are ready to sell your investment, HoltonWise, as the #1 seller of investment properties in the greater Cleveland area, can market your property in a video just like this one to our worldwide base of investors who are looking to capitalize on the high cash flow opportunities in the Cleveland, Ohio market.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our latest content, including video tours and analysis of investment properties that are available for sale, real estate investment education, and our most interesting encounters with tenants from hell. HoltonWise, real estate investing made easy.